We're back at El Cabin. And we're moving rocks. I've already moved quite a few. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff. That old stovepipe. I got the sealant for this, which I will lay down after I do a major cleanup. This place is a disaster. So yeah, we're gonna get all cleaned up. And that's pretty much it for this trip. Clean up real good. Maybe lay out for my my deck in the back. And all that good stuff. So we're back. It's a nice day. Really nice day. We're back at it. Oh my. Well, I went ahead and got crazy. Came in here, cleaned this room out really good. Do got to get this window, so I got to go take measurements for that guy there. But there was material, and you know, at first I saw these and I'm like, huh, that's an odd, you know, why did they pick that color? And it's like the cheapest cheap you can get. Well, I got to looking at it, and this is called 70% off. Who knows when it was bought, what year. It's too bad they don't have a year on it. So I went ahead and just hung this. You know, I've got that. I went ahead and bought that that 18 gauge cordless rigid nailer. Man, that thing kicks ass. It is a little different to use, but this thing is freaking awesome. Here, look, I'll demo them straight because I thought I saw a spot. Because I didn't really, you know, didn't really get hardcore on the nailing pattern. The one thing is you gotta hold the trigger and let it finish its kazapenka. So that's it, man. We got that done. It's an improvement. We're taking little wins when we can. Really don't want to be working on it in the summertime inside, you know, working on inside in the summertime. I want to work on the outside, but you know, part of it is just getting the materials out of the way so I can kind of it's all about the little projects. Right now I hung that stuff in there. Right now this is driving me up the wall, all these little spots on the sink. Every time I come in, I think it's more mouse poop. So I went ahead and did a deep clean on the sink, and I'd order off the internet Porsifix. Basically, you paint these little suckers. It's supposed to be pretty strong paint. You can see I did one there. You can see it there. So you're supposed to put it on there and then let it dry and then sand it 24 hours later. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all fixed up so it doesn't look like there's mouse or rat poo all over my sink. It's the little things. Well, I can say this. Sure doesn't look like there's mouse poo on it now. I mean, you can see the spots that are touched up. That's just touched up for the first coat. They say, you know, put another coat on to fill it. So next morning, let the sink set overnight. Before I used it. There's some water in there. You can see the clear, clean white spots, but man, it looks so much better without the... got two mice last night, and I went ahead and started the seal job on this, so you can see the difference between sealed and not sealed. Sealed, not sealed. So, and that's where the seal drips down there. So we're gonna finish sealing that up. I'll get a little video of that once I get it done. But it's first thing in the morning. I'm having my cup of Joe. Nothing better than the coffee I get up here. I'm drinking Bear Paw today. Some fancy stuff I got at the airport. I got at the grocery store there in Sandpoint. Wow, just wow, look at that. totally took the whole game to another level. Stuff is stinky. Yeah, I don't know if I told y'all, but this episode is brought to you by Horner Landscaping. Jeff Horner, down on the corner, does landscaping right. For all your high-end landscaping needs, see Jeff Horner, North Idaho. Coeur d'Alene, Hauser area. He's a big-time politician, too. He's a busy man. Okay, so we got the stove up on the new hearth. Alice is pulling staples out of the bulletin board. So that's all up. We're next, you do one thing and something else. The stove actually was in my truck. I welded, there was a crack here, and then the inside, there was a big crack inside that I got welded all up. It got rained on. So now I put some like anti-rust stuff on the top. So now I'm going to sand it down and paint it right there in its spot. Hopefully I don't get any on the nice rock. That would suck. Dun, 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 dun,
Misty,
dun,
come over
dun.
here. Get in there.
So that's it.
Get in
That's
the picture. Go on.
the big, wow. Really brings this place, it brings it up. Once I get some paint and clean that stove up a little bit, make it look nice again, then it will be AW awesome. AW awesome.
Through the magic of the interwebs, there's no dent. But the stickers are showing.
I will.
Oh, maybe we
okay.
can paint over them.
Alice is going to open some champagne in celebration of the new hearth.
A little Prosecco.
Pop it open, baby.
Okay. Can I step up here?
Just don't put the window out.
Oh, yeah. Let's look out here. What are we doing? I better open it outside because it was
Open it
showering.
in here. Point it right at the ceiling.
Really? Okay. Yeah, that ceiling.
Shit's about to get real. I'm surprised she's not pointing it at me.
No. With the background of the nice. Oh! Poppity pop pop. No! There's my glass right. There's my glass right there. Let's have a little in celebration. Mm-hmm.
And to celebrate,
And he's got Pilsner.
I'm going to have the champagne
or
of
Quell.
beers. Pilsner or Quell.
Excellent.